Hello everybody. I wanted to share with you my small plant haul again. Yes, oh my goodness. This is a bad addiction, I think. Or is it good? I would say good. All right, let's start with our columbine. I have a lovely columbine here. Very beautiful. I got it through Facebook and I contacted the person that's selling it. And yes, I have got it. My son picked it up for me. I know. He's so sweet. All right, so this cost me, which was very, very fair, the pricing, cheap actually, $8. And that's a perennial. And I got this campanula, I think it's called. Campanula. I have one already in the front, but I said, why not another one? So got that one, which is lovely. And we have more plants here. Petunias, yes, I know. More petunias. And I have a basil. That's a purple basil, which I was looking for, and I've got it. And I have another columbine, and this one is yellow. I'm getting all the colors, guys. Yellow columbine. And we got more cilantro. Nothing goes wrong getting extras. And it was on sale since we're in mid-June, so I always shop at Heart Lake. But now I've stopped going there too much, so I go elsewhere. So I go to Airport Road, and there's like a couple garden centers. You have to do a good drive though. One is Glen, but that one is still the same prices, but you have to go more further, which is probably 4 minutes more drive. And why not? 4 minutes more and you pay $1 per plant. Well, it comes 4 in each one. I got this pepper, pimento they say it's called, and it's red, and it's $1. Since I already had enough vegetables, so I just picked up one. And some cilantro and another basil. It's $1. Why not, right? I love basil, so I'm going to plant a lot of basil. And, okay, so the other day I was saying these are family of petunias, but I'm not quite sure. And then, oh, there it is. So it's Calibrochoa, red color, and I love red. So these are the smaller version that looks almost like the petunias. So I got more petunias there because I emptied one of my big pots, and I'm gonna plant these petunias in there. These are long, as you can see, nice and beautiful, and more there. And I also got this one, Aloe Vera. For some reason, the one I had, they started getting some kind of spots on it, like yellow, not golden or something. I think they were some kind of infection. I don't know what it was, but it was weird. And then they started not looking good. Now we changed our windows and everything, so my plants are looking more better. It's not going through that phase anymore because apparently these windows were old, and whatever was on those windows, I don't know what it was affecting my plants. Now I'm going to put this in a nice pot and then hope they don't come back, that brownish stuff on the leaves, because they used to get so many brown spots and it would look ugly. So that's another plant that I got. And also I have a spider plant and another spider plant. The other ones I had, well, they got infested with some kind of sticky stuff, and I noticed that happen when I bought another plant from another location. I don't want to name the place where I got it from, but be careful when you buy things. Make sure you look at it very carefully right in the bottom, because sometimes you will not see on the top, but make sure you look everywhere before you pick up something, because if you bring it and you put it close to the other plants, they will get infested. Yeah, so be careful when you buy. So hopefully I don't get infested. That's why I put it separate. Now I decided to do is when I buy plants, I put it separate for a good month, and if I see any sticky stuff or whatever, or I give it more than a month, then I'll put it close to my other plants. Otherwise, that's what I started doing now. Yes, learn my lesson. It started with my orchids, and that's how I learned my lesson. Yeah. Yep. And I got this other columbine, which is very light yellow. So the other one that I got, it's a little darker yellow. So let's see the differences between the two of them. This one is lighter. I don't know if you can tell on the camera, but yeah, it's lighter yellow. Well, my friends, that is it. That's all I got so far. It's not a bad deal. $15 for all that. And this one, of course, separate, plus the $8 that I paid for this one. I begged my son, since he was in that area, to if he can go pick it up for me. So he did it for me. And I'm so glad he did, because they are very cute and beautiful. They look almost like tiny little roses. I love columbine, especially knowing that the hummingbirds love it. Why not? I've learned that, well, I've seen them going on the columbines and going into the petunias. So since then, I'm like, okay, they love those, so I'm going to get those plants. Anyways, my friends, too much blah blah. I don't want to bore you all. Thank you all for watching, and thank you for supporting my channel. I really do appreciate it. If you're new, subscribe. Don't forget to click that bell so you don't miss any of my videos. Share my videos, and hope to see you again in the next video. Thank you all for watching. Bye.